Welcome to Scispectrum Lab Essentials, your source for equipment, instrument, and consumables.
What is a balance in a laboratory?
A laboratory balance is an instrument used to measure the mass of substances with high precision.
Which balance is used in a laboratory?
Most laboratories use analytical and precision balances. Analytical balances are used for highly accurate readings in milligrams, while precision balances handle larger samples with slightly lower accuracy.
What are the two types of balances?
There are two main types of balances, mechanical and electronic. Mechanical balances rely on physical weights and levers, while electronic ones use digital sensors for quick, accurate readings.
What is a 5-point balance?
A 5-point balance test refers to a calibration method, where the instrument is tested at 5 weight points from low to high to ensure accuracy across the entire measuring range.
What are the 4 types of balances?
The 4 main types of laboratory balances are analytical, precision, micro, and top-loading. Analytical and micro balances offer ultrafine precision, while top-loading and precision models are best for general lab use.
How to use a laboratory balance?
To use a balance, place it on a stable surface, switch it on, and press the tare button to zero the display. Then carefully add your sample using a spatula or tweezers, and note the reading.
What is the principle of a laboratory weighing balance?
The working principle of a balance is simple. It compares the gravitational force acting on a sample with that of a known reference mass. In digital models, sensors convert this force into an accurate electronic reading.
How to calibrate a laboratory balance?
Calibration ensures reliability. Use certified standard weights, follow your balance's built-in calibration steps, and verify that readings match expected values before use.
How to measure a balance test?
To perform a balance test, weigh the same standard object multiple times. Consistent readings confirm accuracy. Variation indicates the need for recalibration or maintenance. Laboratory balances are at the heart of every scientific process. Whether it's research, education, or industry, precision defines progress.